Welcome to our course on social media marketing. This is Chapter 3, Part A. So, let's begin. There are numerous content categories that can be utilized in social media marketing, each having unique advantages and optimal applications. Here are a few illustrations. 1. Text. Text-based items, like blog entries or articles, are excellent for telling a story or giving in-depth information. They can be utilized to educate, inform, or amuse your audience. 2. Images. Visuals like photos or graphics are a terrific method to catch people's attention and swiftly present information.
They can be utilized to advertise events, promote services, or display goods.
3. Videos. Videos are an effective technique to captivate your audience and disseminate information in a lively and engaging manner.
They can be used to highlight goods or services, tell a tale, or give insider access to your company.
4. Infographics. Infographics are an excellent approach to convey complicated information in a clear, eye-catching manner. They can be used to demonstrate data and statistics or instruct your audience. 5. Live video. Live video is a fantastic method to interact in real time with your audience and convey a sense of urgency. They can be utilized for live events, quiz sessions, or product presentations. 6. Stories. On social media sites like Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, stories are a popular format. They are brief, transient recordings or pictures that vanish within 24 hours. They can be used to advertise time, sensitive events or promotions, or to reveal behind the scenes content. 7. User-generated content, also known as UGCs. This is content that has been produced by your consumers or followers. Building trust with potential clients while showcasing your goods or services can be effective. To develop a content strategy that will successfully engage your audience, it is crucial to understand the optimum usage for each type of content because each has its own advantages.